VT is a global leading brand specializing in communication headset solutions with 20 years of experience in providing excellent acoustic products worldwide. Designed for office environments, VT headsets are compatible with major UC platforms such as Microsoft Teams and Zoom. Filter out office background noise to enhance working efficiency. Experience immersive audio with VT's new generation of Bluetooth headsets featuring cutting-edge acoustic technology. Achieve efficient communication with VT speakerphone featuring superior noise reduction, HD audio, and full duplex call technology. In acoustics, we collaborate with experts to integrate cutting-edge audio technologies to continually drive product innovation. We evaluate headset performance with advanced acoustic testing equipment and systems, and continuously optimize the product experience based on user feedback. We also optimize the acoustic cavity structure through advanced software algorithms and sensor technology. Every VT headset is produced under a stringent quality management system. Our production process includes multiple inspection procedures and utilize professional testing equipment to conduct comprehensive testings on products. Our production workshops, adhering to standardized operating procedures, ensure the consistency and high-quality delivery across product batches. The reliability of headsets is crucial. VT products undergo rigorous validations to ensure the excellent performance and stability in diverse usage scenarios and complex environments. With smart warehousing management and logistics system, VT achieves efficient and precise global supply chain operations. VT has established partnerships in over 120 countries, building a strong distribution network and global brand influence. With strong R&D capabilities, VT holds over 50 independently developed patents and continually sets new industry standards. VT, we value you better.